In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a pricing comparison table to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are on the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy website builder. After the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the pricing comparison table to appear. Scroll to the exact area where you want to place the new section. Between your existing sections, click the Add Section button to insert a new content block. Next, browse through the available section categories. Depending on your version of GoDaddy Website Builder, you may see categories such as pricing, plans, or content. Open the most relevant category and look for a pricing table layout that includes multiple columns. This works well for comparing different plans side by side. Once you find a layout you like, click Add to place that pricing section onto your page. Now you can begin customizing the content. Replace the default plan names with your own plan titles. Then update the prices, billing details, and short descriptions so they match your business or offer. After that, edit the feature lists for each plan. Make sure each column clearly shows what is included, so visitors can compare your options easily. If your selected layout includes call to action buttons, customize those as well. You can update the button text to something like Buy Now, Get Started, or Contact Us, depending on the goal of each pricing plan. If the builder allows it, also check where each button links, so visitors are sent to the correct page or next step. Once your content is in place, review the full pricing comparison table inside the editor. Check that the wording is clear, the prices are accurate, and the columns are organized properly. Then click Preview to see how the section will look on your live website. This is a good time to confirm that the layout is easy to read and fits well with the rest of the page. When everything looks right, click Publish to make the pricing comparison table live on your GoDaddy website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.